Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Let's Speak English episode. At the dentist. Hello, doctor.
Good morning, Lisa. So, what seems to be the problem today?
Morning, doctor. Well, I've been having some gum pain recently.
Okay. Please take a seat and lean your head back. I'll take a look. Open your mouth, please.
How does it look, doctor?
Well, there's some inflammation of the gums, and it looks like you have a cavity as well.
That's not good news. Will you extract my tooth?
No, you just need a dental filling and you'll feel better.
I see.
Relax. I'm gonna drill your tooth first and then fill the cavity.
Drill? Oh my gosh. Will it be painful?
Don't worry, it won't be painful. I'll give you some local anesthetic for it.
Alright then.
It's done. You can rinse your mouth now. How are you feeling now?
I'm feeling great.
Good. I'll prescribe a mouthwash to help you with your sore gums.
Thank you, doctor.
You're welcome.
That's the end of today's video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye.